Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is about how to evaluate values in the range of numbers and return the largest number. So let's begin. To get highest value in the range by using the max formula. First, select a cell to find the max number. To get the max number from this range, select a blank cell and enter max formula equal to max and select the range and click enter. Now we get the largest number from this range. We can also find largest number by using AutoSum feature. For this, select the cell right below the number list. Click on Formula tab. Select the max function and click OK. Now the range is selected automatically. And here we will get the largest number from this range using AutoSum function. To get the largest number in a row, select the cell to the right of the numbers. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.